Hello everyone. Let's talk about the Bill Gates. He is the richest man in America, second richest in the world right now. He co-founded one of the most successful tech companies of all time in Microsoft. He is an extremely generous philanthropist through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. But there are a lot of things about Gates you probably didn't know. Number 1. As a young teenager at Lakeside Prep School, Gates wrote his first computer program on a General Electric computer. At the age of 13, it was a version of tic-tac-toe where you could play against a computer. Number 2. Like many other successful tech entrepreneurs, Gates was a college dropout. He left Harvard University in 1975 to fully devote himself to Microsoft. Number 3. Gates was once arrested in New Mexico in 1977. He was driving without a license and ran a red light. Number 4. One of the Gates' biggest splurges besides his plane was the Codex Leicester, a collection of Da Vinci Code. He acquired the Codex at 1994 auction for $38.8 million. Despite his immense wealth, Gates says his kids will only inherit $10 million each. It's just a fraction of $81.1 billion net worth. Leaving kids massive amount of money is not a favor to them. Gates doesn't know any foreign languages, and he says this is the biggest regret in his life thus far. He used to memorize the license plates of his employees at the Microsoft. He says that I know everybody's license plates, so I could look out in the parking lot and see when did people come in and when were they leaving. Gates says if Microsoft hadn't worked out, he probably would have been a researcher for artificial intelligence. His favorite band, Weezer. Gates reads 50 books a year. He says reading is still the main way that I both learn new things and test my understanding.